Ang daling mag-label ng mundo, no? Ang tapang mo, ang sungit mo, pasaway ka, wala kang pinagbago. Pero alam ko, hindi yan ang buong kwento mo. Before the weight gets heavier, remember who you are. Hindi naman nila alam yung mga gabing umiiyak ka, nag-iisa ka. Hindi nila naririnig yung mga dasal mong halos pabulong na lang. Hindi rin naman nila alam yung ilang beses na pinilit mo na lang bumangon dahil pagod na pagod ka na. People will always judge the reaction and not the reason. Maraming nagsasabi, ang tapang mo naman. Pero siguro natuto ka na lang lumaban kasi bugbog ka na sa hamon ng buhay at wala nang lalaban para sa'yo. Hindi ka naman talaga matapang pero nasaktan ka lang. At kapag paulit-ulit ka na nasaktan, natural na maglalagay ka ng walls mo, hindi dahil gusto mo, kasi kailangan mo. Strength is often pain that learn how to stand. Sabi nila, ang yabang mo daw, pero hindi lang nila alam, matagal nang walang nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Baka matagal mo nang hindi nararamdaman yung pinipili ka, yung sapat ka, at yung pinakikinggan ka. So you learn to clap for yourself. You learn to stand alone. And somehow, they call that pride. Confidence born out of survival looks different. Marami pa tayong maririnig mula sa pamilya, sa kaibigan, lalong-lalo na sa mga tsismosang kapitbahay. Maaring totoo, maaring ikaw din yung mali, o ikaw din yung marami pang kailangan ayusin sa sarili. Maaring misunderstood ka lang talaga. And here's the truth that we avoid. Ang totoo, pwede ka naman talaga maging mabuting tao at magkamali at the same time. Your mistakes are just chapters at hindi yun ang buong kwento mo. Huwag mong kalimutan kung sino ka talaga. Ikaw ay isang mabuting tao na maraming pinagdaanan, maraming hinagpis, maraming sugat. Oo, maraming nangyaring hindi mabuti sa'yo, but don't let it define you. Remember this, you are a good person and you are created in the image of God. Don't ever dim the light and don't ever ignore the love inside you so that others too can also remember who they are. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone who needs this reminder today. Comment below, I remember who I am, and subscribe for more reflection that heals, not just motivates.